Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at grade 5 math end of term for term 3 and I'm going to discuss the answers for all the questions. Let's start. Grace walked the number of miles shown yani 20 miles over the course of 7 days. So Grace walked 20 miles for 7 days. She walked the same number of miles each day. How many miles did she walk each day? So in this case, you have to divide the 20 miles by 7. So let's do that. 20 divided by 7. So you have to do a long division. 20 divided by 7. 7 times 2 is 14. And then minus. And this is 6. We are going to write this as a mixed fraction. So the answer is 2, which is the quotient, 6, which is the remainder, and 7, which is the divisor. We write this as a fraction, a mixed fraction, because the quantity is miles. Alright? Question 2. There are 210 balloons at a fair. Each of the 50 children that attended the fair got the same number of balloons. How many balloons did each child get? In this case also we have to divide the 210 balloons by the 50 children. So let's divide 210. We can cancel the 0 and we can write only 21. 21. So 5, 21 divided by 5, 4 times is 20 and 1. I will write this not as a mixed fraction because you cannot break the balloon as a mixed fraction. So I will write this in the remainder form. So I will write this as 4 remainder 1. Is that clear? 4 remainder 1, which means each child would get 4 balloons. Each child would get 4 balloons and in the end, 1 balloon will remain. Nobody will get that 1 balloon. The 1 balloon I will throw it in the air. Okay. Let's see question number 3. Dawn made 50 bracelets. She gave each of her 12 friends the same number of bracelets. How many bracelets did Dawn give in all? So 50 divided by 12. How many bracelets did she give to each of her friends? 50 divided by 12. Answer is 4, remainder 2. We will write in remainder format because bracelets we can count the number of bracelets. So we write this in remainder format. The same questions are here also, very much similar questions. Which one will you write in the remainder format and which one you will write as a mixed number? Remainder we will write something which we can count easily, count. And mixed number we will write those which we can measure easily. Measure means it can be kgs, liters, meters, centimeter, like that. Is that okay? Alright. So, equal amount of juice are poured into different glasses. Juice is usually measured in liters. Juice is measured in liters. So, in this case, we will use mixed number. Okay. Next, the same number of books must be put on each shelf. The same number of books, you will put it on each shelf. So because books which can be easily counted. So in this case, we will write remainder method. A dog is fed the same amount of food. Now, amount of food means food is usually measured in kgs. So we will use the mixed number method. And lastly, someone gives out the same number of flowers to each of the 5 friends. Flowers, number of flowers. Number of flowers is something which you can easily count. So this is also remainder method. Is that okay? Let's proceed. Let's go to the next one. A water cooler holds 80 cups of water. If 30 people each get an equal amount of water, equal amount yani division, yani distribution, how many cups of water does each person get? So 80 divided by 30, I will cancel the 0 and then it is 8 divided by 3. We will write it as a mixed fraction because it is the amount of water, yani liters. So we can write it as a mixed fraction. Next, a baker has this bag of flour, this bag, 25 pounds of flour. He puts each amount of flour in 4 canisters. How many pounds of flour are in each canister? You have to divide. 25 divided by 4. 4 times 6 is 24 minus 1. So this case, the final answer will look like, remainder or fraction. It is pounds, so it is kg, and it is measurable quantity. So if we write it as a fraction. So 6, 1 by 4. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Ryan has 320 pencils. He gives an equal number of pencils to 15 friends. How many pencils does each friend get? Again, you have to divide. 320 divided by 15. If you divide it by 15, 15 times 21 is 315. Remainder is 5. And since this is pencil, you can count the pencil. You cannot measure the pencil. You can count the pencil. So the answer will write it in the remainder method. In the remainder 5. Rose has a piece of ribbon that is 150 inches long. She is cutting the ribbon into 20 equal pieces. How long will each piece be? So we will divide 150 by 20. And then again I can cancel the zeros. So this is 15 divided by 2. And I will write this in fraction format because this is in inches. It is measurable, so we write it in fraction format. Drew has 169 toy cars that he is organizing into boxes. So he's putting them into boxes. Each box will have 30 car division. How many boxes does he need? So 169 divided by 30. I have to write this in remainder method because this is something which can be counted. Remainder method, remainder. So the answer is 5, remainder 19. Okay? Alright. These are all KCF questions. Keep, change, flip. So let's see one of them, and then all others are really easy. 1/3 divide by 4. Keep 1/3. Change to multiplication. Flip and write 1 by 4 and then multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 4 is 12. So answer is 1/12. Clear? Similarly, for all others you can do, it's very easy. 1 by 18, 1 by 24, 1 by 8, 1 by 25, and 1 by 6. Is that clear? Next, Katie is making trail mix that contains 1/3 cup of sunflower seeds per servings. So one serving will have 1/3. How many can she make with this bag? So the bag has 2 cups. I have to divide it. So 2, I have to divide by 1/3. I think I have it ready. 2 divided by 1/3. Keep, change, flip. The answer is 6. 6. I can do 6 servings in 2 cups. Okay. And then the last question. A clock chimes every 1/4 hour. How many times? It will chime in 6 hours. So 6 divided by 1/4. The answer is keep, change, flip. 6 times 4, 24. Understood? Okay, I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.